Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Webull app. This app has been gaining popularity as a trading platform that's packed with powerful tools and features. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner looking to enter the stock market, Webull offers something for everyone. Let's see if it's the right choice for you. Webull is a mobile and desktop trading platform that allows users to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies without paying commissions. One of the app's standout features is its user-friendly interface, which makes trading accessible even for beginners. The app provides real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and analysis resources, making it a solid option for those looking to dive into active trading. For those who want to get started with investing, Webull also offers a demo account where you can practice trading with virtual money. This feature allows you to get comfortable with the platform before using real funds, which is especially helpful for new traders. Webull also provides detailed research tools and resources, including technical indicators, financial data, and stock screeners to help you make informed decisions. Another impressive feature is the Webull mobile app's design. It is sleek, intuitive, and packed with features like customizable watchlists and alerts. The app also supports real-time quotes, news, and analyst ratings, giving you everything you need to stay updated on the latest market trends. Webull's margin trading feature allows you to borrow money to trade, which can be a great tool for experienced traders looking to increase their buying power. However, it's not all perfect. While the app offers great tools, it can be overwhelming for beginners who may not be familiar with all the trading features. Additionally, Webull charges fees for margin trading and other advanced services, which could be a deterrent for some. The app also lacks some educational content for newer traders, so if you're just getting started, you might need to look elsewhere for learning resources. In conclusion, Webull is a great platform for experienced traders who want a robust set of tools and the ability to trade across multiple asset classes. It's also suitable for beginners who are comfortable learning through trial and error. If you're someone looking for a commission-free platform with powerful trading features, Webull might just be the right fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.